is M. Karthikeyan. Today I am going to tell human excretory system. The excretory system removes waste from the body. The excretory system's organs are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys act like filters to remove the waste from the body. Ureters, ureters carries urine and from from kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the urine. Urethra is a tube. Urine passes to this tube from the body.